Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for any homeowner with an older property. Getting your home ready for the cold winter months. Whether you've got a charming Victorian, a cozy craftsman, or a sturdy colonial, I've got tips that will help you protect your house and keep it snug all season long. Let's get started. First up, insulation. Older homes often lack proper insulation, which means you could be losing heat and money. For a Victorian style home, focus on those high ceiling and large windows. Consider adding heavy curtains and sealing up any gaps around the window frames. For a craftsman home, those beautiful built-ins and woodwork can sometimes hide drafty spots. Check the attic and basement for insulation issues and add weather stripping around doors. This can make a huge difference in keeping the cold air out. Next, let's talk about the heating system. If you have a colonial home, you might be dealing with an older furnace or boiler. Schedule a professional inspection to make sure everything is running efficiently. This is also a great time to bleed your radiators if you have them. Trust me, your heating system will thank you. Now, on to a simple but often overlooked tip: ceiling fans. Yes, those ceiling fans can help in winter too. Set them to spin clockwise at a low speed to push the warm air down and keep your rooms cozy. Moving outside, make sure to clear your gutters. Homes with steep roofs, like many older Victorians, can suffer from ice dams if the gutters are clogged. Clear them out to prevent water damage and expensive repairs. For those with a craftsman home, don't forget about your pipes. Wrap any exposed pipes in insulation to prevent freezing. The last thing you want is a burst pipe in the middle of winter. Lastly, check your chimney and fireplace. If you're lucky enough to have one of these beauties in your colonial home, make sure it's clean and in good working order. A clogged chimney can be a serious fire hazard. So there you have it. Prepping your older home for winter doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to a warm and cozy season. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Stay warm, everyone.